What is up, YouTube? Well, I'm just trying to figure something out real quick. Well, I guess I gotta do something here real quick. What is up, YouTube? I actually had a question I wanted to ask people, and then I had a little thing, an idea of a video that I would like to do, and I'm going to do. And sorry, I'm just I'm fixing part of my phone case that broke, and I didn't realize that it broke until just now. And I'm filming this from my phone, so okay, it's fixed. Now, here's the question that I have to ask you guys. Why is it? My fucking ex is texting me. She doesn't leave me alone sometimes, I swear. Anyway. I wanted to know why it is that some people that are KJV are so militant about this. And also, what I wanted to know was just exactly what version of the KJV are we talking about here. The KJV has many different versions, and also, not only that, but the KJV also it has the 1611 and the 1769. But what most people do not know is that the 1769 is in fact different from the 1611. So, why? And you could look that up and see. And the other video that I had in mind here, like in the 1769, it says helps in government, or 1611 helps in GOU, which was their V back then. So it's government, and it says helps governments. 1611 COUENANT. Okay, basically it's the U in place of a V. 1611 reads in the temple, and in the 1769 it reads in the temple of the Lord. And there's a bunch of things like that, and I'll put a description in the link of this video of a video that shows that perfectly. Also, of a article that shows that perfectly. Also, what I want to know is, why is it why is it such a big deal to hold on. Why is it such a big deal that that we use that specific version, or the version the version that you like, the 1611 that you want us to read. I'm going to give you a site. The source is www.rickbeckman, or .rickbeckman, RICKBECKMAN.org /16 KJV, that little minus sign, 1611, the little minus sign, versus the little minus sign, KJV, the little minus sign, 1769 /. Okay, that's the source that I got some information from, that I think would be a good idea for you guys to go to, for anybody that's KJV only to go to. Now, with that said, I just want to do something here. I want to show people a lot of times often will do this, and I want to do this too. I've got two netbooks here, okay? I know that it's kind of crappy video right now, but on the right we have an Acer Aspire 1D257 with 1 gig of RAM, 80 gigabyte hard drive. That's this computer right here. I know I have a shitty camera on my phone. And on the left we have Asus 1005 HAC shell design with 2 gigs of RAM and 160 gig hard drive. They're both Intel Atom dual core processors. One's running Windows 7, the other one is running Windows XP. I'm going to do a boot test, see which one boots up faster. So I started them both at the same time. And I want to show you how this netbook, although the specs aren't much bigger at all, smoke the hell out of this one. And then I want to bring my HP up on here and show you how my gaming computer smokes the hell out of both of them. Okay, now I have to put the password in, that's why. Okay, now this is going to look like it's fully loaded, but you'll notice the apps and everything aren't going to fully come up. Okay, the desktop. Yeah, I gotta put the password in. Okay. Now you notice this is still going to desktop, and this one made it to desktop about 2 or 3 seconds before this one did. Okay, so this one won this competition. I'm going to power this laptop down, the Asus, because it's going to take longer to power down too. Yeah, even on the power down, it takes much longer. Watch, this time it was going to be shorter. Yeah, this time it did it shorter. But most of the time it doesn't. Most of the time it's actually a lot longer. Now, I just want to show you just an idea of how fast this little netbook is. Okay, I'm going to have to hold it up because this notebook takes up the whole thing here. So now I'm going to start the netbook first, then the notebook second, and I'm going to have to hold it up. I'm just going to take it to the screen where it gets to my password and stuff. This is the gaming computer. It's got a Core i3 processor with 2.4 gigahertz, 4 gigs of RAM, and a 600 gig hard drive. And I'll show you how fast this little netbook beats it. I mean, yeah, it has less to load, but whatever. I mean, it shouldn't be this much faster. And then I will have to see why my ex keeps texting me. See what the fuck she wants. Yeah. The story of the fucking exes. Even when you're not together, you still can't get off the fucking hook. Alright, see? Hold on. Okay, password is in. They're both running Windows 7, as you can see. This one's at the desktop quicker. Anyway, that's my video, and this one is finally at the desktop. That's my video. So, peace, sub, rate, and comment below. Let me know what you think, and give me ideas for later videos if you want to hear me talk about something. Later.